Hey everybody, Scott Tanner coming to you live right here at Sunset Kia Mitsubishi, and it just continues. It's a hot day. It's a hot Thursday. And I got Shauna with me. Shauna, say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
It's so quiet in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
You came in the lot today and you were looking for a vehicle, right?
Right.
What kind of vehicle?
A Sorento.
A Kia Sorento.
Yes.
You're driving home in a what?
Kia Sorento.
2017 LX, and it's got front-wheel drive. It's an absolutely beautiful vehicle. Best part is warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. What do you think of that?
I think that's fantastic.
You and I are so quiet in here. Now I asked you, when you pulled up on the lot earlier, you were like, hey Scott, what'd you ask me?
I want to know if I could be on the Gong Show.
The Gong Show. Are you ready to do it?
I'm ready.
You're on the Gong Show. I'm going to count to 3, 2, 1. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Was it loud?
It was loud.
You were going to hit me?
No.
That sounds really loud. I want to say congratulations.
Thank you.
You've been a pleasure to work with. And tell everybody out there what you think of Sunset.
I think it's been fantastic. This is your guy.
I'm your guy. She's your gal. Say goodbye.
That's great. Bye.
Bye.